This video explores how to safely detect and correct a neutral earth wire reversal, a hidden electrical danger that can affect home wiring. A neutral earth swap occurs when these wires are connected to the wrong terminals in a circuit, leading to incorrect and potentially hazardous configurations. It is crucial to remember that just because an appliance continues to function, it does not mean the electrical system is safe. When these wires are reversed, the metal enclosure of an appliance can become live, posing a significant risk of electric shock. This fault causes safety systems to fail, leading to overheating of earth wires and preventing circuit breakers from protecting you properly. Warning signs of this hidden fault include mild shocks from appliances, flickering lights, or equipment that trips the circuit breaker instantly under load. To diagnose the issue, you can use specialized tools like a 3-pin plug tester, a multimeter to check for voltage on earth, or a clamp meter to detect leakage current. When measuring between neutral and earth, detecting voltage indicates a problem with the safety line. Before attempting any repair, safety must be your first priority. Always shut off the power at the main breaker and use a lockout-tagout procedure. Once the power is confirmed off, open the outlet to inspect the connections and identify where the wires have been swapped. Carefully reconnect the wires to their correct terminals, earth to the E terminal, neutral to N, and the phase wire to the L or P terminal. After the repair is complete, use your testing tool to verify that the fault has been cleared and the wiring is correct. Avoid dangerous misconceptions. Know that neutral and earth are not the same, and a working appliance does not guarantee a safe circuit. Prevent future faults by regularly testing installations, inspecting older homes, using certified professionals, and always wearing appropriate insulated safety gear. Respect your electrical system by properly testing and verifying connections. Stay safe